Hey guys, welcome to my channel if you're new here. If you're not new, then welcome back. My name's Paige, for those of you that don't know. Today I am filming a room tour. I move out in like 38 days. Thank God, can't wait. So like slowly I'm going to start taking some things back home. So I wanted to film a room tour, like a final look room tour, because I know I kind of showed what it looks like when I first moved in, but I want to kind of do like a last look room tour right before I move out. So without further ado, we're just gonna hop on. Okay, so this is the doorway. Like when you first walk in, I have my own bedroom. I share a house with two other girls from school, but this is just the doorway here that you come in. And then if you turn to the right, there is a closet. It has no door, but like when this is open, I'd show you, but there are other people in the house. Like when this door is open, it just kind of shuts this off. And then to the left, it's just a wall, and that's where I have my makeup and stuff. And then I have my tapestry, my bed. I'm just doing a quick little overview here, and then we'll go into detail. There's my little Bailey. So first down here, this is in the bottom of my closet. I have a clothes basket, and then in this front section I just keep like hoodies and t-shirts and just kind of things I wear to the gym, just or like to lounge around the house, just tops and not bottoms, so just hoodies and comfy clothes. And then in the back is where I keep my towels and everything, like my shower stuff, my towels, my washcloths, my extra hand towels, all that. I don't keep any of it in the bathroom anymore. And then I just keep my black belt on there. I wear it every single day. I have my hamper slash like laundry basket that I use when I do my laundry. And then this closet here is strictly for my school clothes. So my dress code at school when you first start, I've said this in previous videos, is all black everything. And then once you level jump, you can add colors. So right now I'm allowed to wear white to school, white and black. So this is, you know, just my school clothes. And then up top here, I just keep my laundry stuff and my cleaning supplies, extra toilet paper, cleaning cup, like Q-tips, some Febreze, that like, was it like anti-wrinkle spray stuff? It's magical. And then I just have like my laundry stuff that I take down with me in my basket when I go down. So that is it for my first closet. And then staying on the topic of clothes, we'll just go over here. This is my dresser. So this black dresser and the bed are the only things that were in the house when I moved in my bedroom. I have a cute little eyelash picture of all different kinds of lashes. It's from TJ Maxx. I think TJ Maxx. My boyfriend's mom bought it for me, so that was cute. And it kind of, the colors tie in with my bedding and everything. Anyway, so here I just have a picture. I was gifted this, it was like one of my graduation gifts. It's just a picture of Max and I from, I think, junior year. And then I have this little thing. I want to say it's from Walmart. I just used to keep my, I didn't have anything to keep my jewelry in for the longest time. But I just do bracelets on this side, necklaces on this side, and then down the bottom I do like earrings and bracelets on this side. So it's kind of a disaster. I wear these the most, and then the earrings that I wear the most I keep down on this little plate. And then I have my deer with the antlers that I keep my hoop earrings in, and bobby pins down in the bottom. Down in here I have a little note. I dropped a necklace down in the crack here. Can't move this yet. Not strong enough. So I put a note here so when I move out I don't forget to get the necklace. But this was just kind of like, I don't keep jewelry in it, it's just a little decorative jewelry holder. I keep my flat iron up here. A flat iron is really the only hot tool I use at home. I have a curling wand and a blow dryer down in here. I'll show you. This is a little plate. I actually have two. They have different sayings on. One says, I think one says seize the day. Yeah, seize the day. And then the one that I have out right now says aspire to inspire. And up here I just keep my watches, some extra earrings that don't really fit up there, some glasses that are ridiculously smudged. I don't even wear them, just kind of like go with the gold theme I have going on. And then these are the earrings I wear almost every day. It looks like a lot, I know, but I have like 8 earring holes and I don't sleep with them in because I can't, so is that. And then lastly on top here I have my little Bailey baby. He just got his tank cleaned yesterday. He's probably waiting to get fed. I always feed him right before I leave for school, so he's probably a little hungry. Going down now into this dresser, we have 3 drawers here. In the top drawer, right, even though it might not look like it, this is like 110% organized right now. So I have all my my padded bras here, and then I keep like my sleep sports bras up in here. Now one's in the wash, I have one on and one's in here yet. In the back is like my gym sports bras that aren't really padded. In this back basket, I have socks from small footies in the front, and then my high Nikes I keep in the back. Basket of underwear. This is just a little savings jar I have. I keep all my change in it. And then here are my 2 hot tools that I said about. I have my blow dryer and my curling wand that I don't really use. And then I just keep Bailey's food right there. And then in the second drawer down, these are my school pants. So everything from, you know, black jeans, black dress pants, black leggings. Everything in here is black. These are all black bottoms because this is all I can wear to school. Nothing too exciting there. And then the last drawer is my normal people clothes. Back here, these are my jeans. I only have a couple pairs. I don't wear jeans too often, but when we have dress downs, it's nice to have. These in this little folded section here, these are like my PJ pants, or like at home, like lounge around shorts. This middle section here is all like leggings, yoga pants, like gym, like long gym pants. This back section here is a bunch of different sweatpants, and then this front section is gym shorts. So that is the dresser. Now if we turn, right behind it is my makeup, kind of like DIY like makeup station if you don't have a dresser, or not a dresser, a vanity. So we're gonna sit down here and I'm gonna show you a little bit about what I have going on. So this is where I sit to do my makeup every morning. Now, yes, these are different sized crates. I got one from Walmart and one from Target. I just assumed they would be the same, and they're not. But it's okay. I used to only have one, but then I got more storage for my makeup, so I got another one and just figured, you know, heck with it, I'm leaving soon anyway. These gold baskets that I have up here, which I also have back in this top cupboard of my dresser, are from Walmart. So down in here, this is makeup that I don't use that frequently, just kind of extra makeup that I don't actually know why I have it here. I keep my makeup wipes on both sides here, and then if you look over to the inside of this crate, this is where, you know, all the magic happens. So when I'm doing my makeup, I bring this little mirror up in the back. I set it up on top, just so it's closer and I can see what I'm doing a little better. Here are all my makeup brushes that I keep. I just keep them in a little, it was a candle at one point in time that I have cleaned out. Then I have my palettes that I use. This one I actually don't like. I kind of want to return or give away. 2 Morphe palettes, my Naked 2, Modern Renaissance, and then my Kat Von D contour, or Shade and Light contour kit. So I'm just going to show you in here real quick, show you briefly. This little thing is also from Walmart. In the top, I just keep my foundations and concealers. This is all my powders, setting powders, bronzers, blushes, powder highlights. This one is just a little conglomeration of a bunch. I have like my eyelash curler, my setting sprays, my brow powders, my mascaras, my liners. Like, this is just the small stuff that you use, you know, most often. And then these bottom 2 are just lip products. And then in the top, up on this side, this is my perfumes and my hair stuff. So this is like easy grabs. And this side, this little guy here is actually a little garbage can, just so I don't have to keep getting up and walking over to the garbage. That's kind of what we're working with as far as my little DIY vanity goes. And then over here, I go home every weekend, so I just keep my makeup bag. On this wall here is where my tapestry is. It is from Society 6. And then you kind of can't see in this lighting, but I just have twinkle lights that go all the way up and around. This little basket here, actually, I got it from Target at Christmas time. I had my tree in it, which sounds kind of silly, but now I just use it to keep like my cords in, some products I still want to try out in there. Just a little, you know, little doodad drawer. But we have this little pile down here. This is just my my journal. If you guys want to know how I decorated the cover, also let me know. I did this myself. It was just a little DIY I did, really easy, and I love it. my daily kind of planner note stickies I have here. And then under here is just my school textbook. So now we're over to like my nightstand bed area. My nightstand is plastic, it's okay. We'll start bottom to top. So this bottom drawer, I call my Bible drawer. I have everything from my, my daily devotion. And then my Bible that I use, it's the NIV Journal Edition Bible. And then I just have kind of a notebook where I kind of like, it's like a prayer journal. This is just like a grab and go. There's highlighters in it for when I go home for the weekend. And then down in here, I also use this for like normal journaling. I just keep my washi tape down in there. Sticky notes, tape, black markers, colored pencils and crayons, and then colored markers. So that's that drawer. Alright, and then in this drawer here, this is like my tech drawer. So I have like a MacBook, wireless headphones, a laptop control, or what's that called? A mouse, a tripod, portable chargers, selfie camera, extra phone cases, just all kinds of like tech related things I keep down here. And then this is like my most used one at night. So I just keep a box of tissues down here. This mason jar is full of my essential oils that I use in my diffuser. Essential oil needs. My little candy basket here. I'm obsessed with these mint kisses. Fave. This is my little to-do list notepad. And then I just keep like my, well, it's usually like my current nail polish, but I just painted my nails yesterday. Germex, my lash serum, chapstick, and then this is an essential oil pillow mist, aromatherapy pillow mist. It's like stress relief. It's not focusing, but you get me. And then up top I always have waters, controller, phone, the usual. And then here's my bed. It's just a single bed. I have no bed frame. It's just on the box. And my bedding is from TJ Maxx. I want to say TJ Maxx. And it came with this, and then that little pillow in the back corner here. This is just a body pillow from like Target. That was a graduation gift from Max's grandma. Normal pillow, blanket from Target. And then over here, I just keep, my weekender bag. This was my backpack if you saw in one of my previous videos, but I just switched to a smaller one. Up here on the wall, I have like this DIY thing. It was a graduation gift as well. It's just kind of like chicken wire with a frame and then a bunch of pictures on it. And down here on my bookshelf, here's my TV. I have some pens, markers, or pencils, markers, colored pens, extra notebooks, receipts, stapler. Off to the side here, I just have some more notebooks, some books I've been reading, another Bible. I have another little dish here. This one's really cute. It says, "Enjoy the little things." And I just keep my headphones up here to quick grab for the gym. And then this little guy is just full of school supplies. And then this wooden nightstand I've actually had for like ever. I brought it from home. I think it's from like Walmart, maybe. Don't quote me on it, but I think. And then right up there, I just have a dream catcher. I have my garbage, whatever. And my shower caddy I keep in here. Then I have a little hanger thing where I keep my towel and my bathrobe. So this is my other closet. And here I keep like my hats, my lanyards, and then my bags. So this is like my normal people clothes. So I have like jackets and then kind of color coded over to t-shirts and tanks, and then my scarves hang there. This was an attic at one point, if you remember that from when I first moved in. Like this row here is like my booties and stuff, my boots and booties that I wear like, more in the winter. This is a basket of my like summer shoes kind of. Then just, these are my like almost everyday school shoes that I wear. And then just my sneakers and gym stuff. I have another pair of tennis shoes up under those. Keep my camera tripod in here. And then there's a shelf up top. That's extra pictures and stuff that I never hung. A little toolkit, an iron. I know I keep like electronic boxes up there. Honestly, I don't know what's in that one. So that's that closet. And that wraps it up for this video. This is a last overview. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap it up for today's video. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe down below. And that's all for today guys. Thanks for tuning in and hope to see you next time.